drop of memory's face, floating toward a brighter place. We rise again through pain and time, through tears that shape our rhyme. The night